Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make another Christmas wreath, and of course you're going to need a wreath of your choosing. I get this one from Hobby Lobby with the Chanel stems on it already, and you're going to need 2 packs of mesh ribbon. You're also going to need different ribbons of different sizes. I usually get 1 or 2 large, a medium, and a small. You'll also need things to decorate your wreath with. This is what I chose for this particular wreath. And also you're probably going to need zip ties and a glue gun, and also a ruler that I didn't show on this clip. To start your wreath, you want to go ahead and pull your Chanel stems up that's on the outside ring, and you want to go ahead and choose the ribbon that you want to be your main ribbon. And so you're going to take a piece and you're going to secure it in the first Chanel stem, but make sure that you leave a few inches out. Once you have that secured, you're going to go ahead and take your ruler and measure 14 inches because you want each poof to be about 14 inches. The ruler is optional, you don't need it, but I just choose to make sure everything looks the same. Once you get to the end of your outer ring, you're going to reopen that first stem that you started with. You're going to measure as normal and go ahead and secure it in that one. It's no different than what you have already done around the rest of the wreath. Once you get to your inner ring, you don't want to cut the ribbon or anything. You're going to continue to measure as you were and secure your poofs. Once you get to the end of your inner ring, you're going to secure your last poof, and you're going to go ahead and cut your ribbon at this point, and you're going to leave a little bit of a tail. So guys, this is what we're working with so far. So guys, for your second ribbon, you're going to go ahead and cut these into 14-inch pieces, and you're going to need 16 of these total. Once you have all of your pieces cut, you want to turn them long ways, and you just want to scrunch it in the middle to make this little bow, and you're going to attach these to every stem you have on your entire wreath. So this is what it should be looking like after you've added all of your pretty ribbon pieces. So now you're going to take your large ribbon and your smaller ribbon and cut these into 23-inch pieces. So I took this large ribbon and the small ribbon and made 4 pairs. And I took the other large ribbon and I made 4 pairs with that one also. So to say that again, in case it was a little confusing, I made 4 pairs with that ribbon and I made 4 pairs with that ribbon, but all using the same small ribbon. So since we have 2 different pairs that we're working with, you want to go ahead and measure 6 inches and choose which pair you're going to put on your outer ring and which pair you're going to put on your inner ring. So this is the one that I want to put on my outside ring. So we're going to pinch it right at 6 inches, and you're going to take that and open one of your stems and attach it. And then you're going to make a large loop, and you're going to eyeball the other side and attach it at the next chenille stem, as you see me doing here. So this is what it should be looking like once you've done that on the entire outer ring. And you want to just go ahead and take your other pair and do the exact same thing on the inner ring. To prepare our last and final ribbon that we'll be putting on the wreath, you want to cut this one into 12-inch pieces, and you'll also need 16 pieces of this one. What you want to do once you have all your pieces cut is you just want to pinch it right in the middle, and you want to put this in each and every stem on your entire wreath. And at this point, you want to go ahead and tie it tight, because that is the last thing that we're going to be putting in there. This is what we should be looking like before we go ahead and add our decorations to the wreath. Here I just went ahead and placed my decor where I thought I wanted it to be. I low-key wish I would have bought 3 flowers, but that's okay. We're going to work with what we have here. So to attach my red looking flowers, I just went ahead and put a zip tie on the outer ring and a zip tie on the inner ring, and I'm going to fasten it like that and cut the excess off. And if you want to use hot glue also, you're more than welcome to do that. To attach my larger flowers, I went ahead and bent that stem that they came on because it was very hard to remove. And I just went ahead and hot glued them to the chenille stem itself. But I did go back and add a lot more glue after that. Really, you can just go ahead and place glue wherever you see fit, because the last thing you want to happen is for your decorations to be falling off of your wreath. So guys, here's a look at the final wreath. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to leave me some comments if you have any questions or anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.